In this lesson, we will be learning our next song called In Dublin's Fair City. This song begins with the chord D, and the strumming pattern for this song is strum 2, which is down, down, up, down, up. Let's play the chords of the verse slowly together, and I'll call out the chords as we play along. The verse begins with the chord D, and we will be starting after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In D, B minor, E minor, A, D, B minor, E minor, A, D, B minor, E minor, A, D, D, A, D. Now, let's play the chords of the chorus slowly together. And again, I'll call out the chords as we play along. The chorus begins with the chord D, and we will be starting after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A D, B minor, E minor, A, D, D, A, D, D. This time, we will sing the song a little quicker together, and we will be starting after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, Finally, we will sing the song one more time together at normal speed, and we will be starting after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow through the streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger